Hey beauties, it's Daisy and I'm back. Today we have a highlighted closure wig from Ishow Hair that's so pretty, so make sure you stay tuned. So here we have our highlighted closure wig. It looks a little out of place because I already wore this wig and I recorded this review and I lost the footage. So please forgive me, but this unit is bomb, okay? So I cut off the lace here and plucked it just a little bit. So all I'm gonna do first is just curl the hair and then get the front part as flat as possible. But you wanna get the curls in first so you can get an idea how the wig's gonna look once it's done, okay? First, we're gonna use this curling wand here. I used this one, I think this is 1 inch and this is 1/2 inch. I used this one before, but the curls did not stay. That's another reason why I didn't even get any good pictures. It just got flat, but I think the curling wand was just too big. But I'm gonna use a smaller one and we're gonna see how this comes out. First, we are gonna use some frizz busters. That is gonna help keep everything in place and make sure the hair is not frizzy and give it some moisture and shine. Just gonna put it all throughout the unit, just a little dab on each side. And this is how the ends are looking. Sorry, I don't have everything in the shot, but you guys are gonna get the picture. You're gonna see the full review, okay? And don't mind if the wig lifts up. This is a glueless install for you guys, okay? So here is the final look, y'all. Glueless install. I'm really feeling this. This is super cute. I usually always glue my wigs down, but this looks so natural. You really do not have to glue it at all, which is crazy. I love the highlights, the low lights. This hair curled so easily, and you know this hair was straight at first. You guys didn't get to see it, I'm sorry. But this hair was straight, and then of course me curling it gave it some life, some volume, some spice, all of that. Here is the length. This hair comes down to about my belly button. So it's a nice length, a nice volume. If you want it like a little bit more full, you can tease the hair and then just give it more volume. But right now this is subtle. It looks really natural. Not too much hair, not too little bit, all the way bomb. So this hair does not shed or tangle, which is a good thing. What we like, it's just so soft, especially for it to be highlighted. The hair just feels really good. It doesn't feel like it's been colored at all. It just feels like some good hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give your girl a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. To my next video. Peace.